Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Deepseek. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will scrolling down until you find Deepseek app. In this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Deepseek. And then here, if you find update, you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.